Visible from miles around, the result of a series of major explosions of munitions. This footage was taken in the centre of Orenburg, about 40 kilometres away from the military test site where the blasts took place. Tanks, armoured personnel carriers, bomb disposal units and ambulances arrived in the region as the area was cordoned off. Residents living nearby were evacuated from their homes. This woman said the explosions had caused the balconies of her house and neighbouring properties to collapse. She said she'd been ordered by the authorities to leave her home with nothing more than the clothes she was wearing. According to the account of one official, the explosions were sparked by a fire, possibly caused by a cigarette, that broke out as shells were being transported in crates in preparation for their future disposal. Despite the severity of the blasts, only one soldier was reportedly injured. Russian military equipment, some of which dates back to the Soviet era, has exploded unexpectedly several times at test sites in recent years. As the clear-up continues, military officials say they've opened a criminal investigation into the suspected mishandling of weapons. James Kelly, BBC News.
New York City police continue to search for the suspect who fatally stabbed a youth soccer coach and cut off his ear Sunday. Police found 25-year-old Michael Jones, a soccer coach for the Red Bulls youth training program, dead on the sidewalk on West 14th Street in Chelsea. Jones lived in New York but was a native of Liverpool, England. Authorities released video of the man believed to have fatally stabbed Jones, repeatedly striking his upper body and cutting off his ear. Witnesses called 911 around 4:25 a.m. Sunday morning after finding Jones lifeless. He was pronounced dead at Bellevue Hospital.